Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Steri-Fab is a ready-to-use all-in-one viricide, insecticide, and disinfectant that can be used to eliminate pests like bed bugs and roaches, and also mold, germs, viruses, and odor-causing bacteria. Steri-Fab includes multiple active ingredients, including 60% isopropyl alcohol and a small amount of insecticide, which will target an insect's nervous system, leading to a quick kill. Steri-Fab can be applied to non-porous surfaces to kill germs, viruses, and bacteria, and can also be sprayed inside the home to control labeled pests. While Steri-Fab can be used to control pests such as bed bugs, cockroaches, ticks, and several other pests, the product only works as a contact spray. Once it's dried, it's no longer active. For a product with lasting residual effects, try Flex 1010. Flex 1010 is a liquid insecticide concentrate that can treat a wide variety of pests, including bed bugs, cockroaches, fleas, and ticks. Flex 1010 is made with the active ingredients piperonyl butoxide, or PBO, a synergist, and permethrin, a pyrethroid that will affect the target insect's nervous system and can be applied to mattresses for bedbug control, similar to Sterifab. Unlike Sterifab, Flex 1010 has a residual of up to 30 days, controlling labeled pests for a month. Additionally, you can mix Flex 1010 with other products, like an IGR, to make your pest treatment more effective. While Sterifab can be applied to cracks and crevices to treat labeled pests, it can be difficult to reach pests hiding in deep or well-concealed areas. If you're looking for an easy-to-use flushing agent that can quickly knock down pests on contact, try Pyrid. Pyrid is a powerful botanical insecticide made with pyrethrins and PBO. This product is great for treating deep cracks and crevices and voids that Sterifab applications may not reach, because it comes with a straw applicator that easily fits within the actuator. Use it whenever pests are harboring in hard-to-reach areas and flush them out with ease. Before using Sterifab, we recommend you wear the proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. And remember to keep children and pets away from the treated areas until the product dries. Sterifab is available in multiple quantities. There's the 16-ounce spray bottle, the 1-gallon jug, and the 5-gallon jug. The 16-ounce Sterifab comes as a trigger spray bottle for convenient application. If you get this product in any jug quantity, you'll need to use a 1 or 4-gallon sprayer to apply the product. Simply pour the amount of Sterifab you need into the sprayer. Do not dilute the product with water. Using Sterifab is easy. To kill mold, bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms, simply spray commonly touched or frequented surfaces and objects until thoroughly dampened. This includes, but is not limited to, doorknobs, tables, kitchen and bathroom countertops, upholstered surfaces, hard surface chairs, trash cans, bathtubs and showers, toilets, and sinks. Be sure to use enough product so the treated areas stay wet for at least 10 minutes. Heavily soiled areas may need to be cleaned before application. Once the product has been applied, it must stay wet for at least 10 minutes before it dries naturally. When applying surface treatments to mattresses or upholstered surfaces for killing bacteria and deodorizing, use the specified amount of Sterifab according to the label. Mattresses will need 4 to 8 ounces depending on the size, small chairs such as love seats need 4 to 5 ounces, and regular sized sofas need 6 to 8 ounces. To kill labeled pests with Sterifab, you'll conduct spot treatments where you've seen pest activity. Infested areas should be sprayed thoroughly, and all pests should make contact with the product. For pests known to hide in cracks and crevices like bed bugs, you'll want to make light applications along all cracks and crevices they could be hiding in, including the seams and folds of mattresses and upholstery. Also be sure to treat along the bed frame, underneath baseboards, along window edges, and along the edges in and outside of a dresser or drawer. Sterifab does not kill instantly, but it will quickly knock down all affected pests within minutes, and they'll die within 24 hours. Remember that Sterifab is an antimicrobial agent that kills microorganisms and labeled pests on contact and does not leave a residual. For the most effective control of bedbugs and other listed insect pests, you'll want to use this alongside a residual insecticide. After application, keep the area well ventilated until the product dries. Be sure to keep people and pets away from the treated areas as well. Shop for Sterifab on our site or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll need a liquid concentrate, a bait, or a dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with treatment methods that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.